Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, RJO Futures, Senior Market Strategist, downtown Chicago here, Wednesday morning. Get on here before the 4th of July break and talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, our first chart of corn here. Now, bearish crop report on June 28th, and these reports on June 28th every year, they can be very volatile, and so you see a big break in the corn market. Notice now how December corn got down into that gap. It didn't fill it all the way at 420, but nonetheless, look at this now. This is what the corn market does. And can the market rally back? Yes, it can. Where can it go? Certainly $5, which I mentioned a few weeks ago. So I love how this chart pattern in corn went back down, filled the gap. Look for higher prices now as we move into the month of July. Notice the other gap on the corn chart back in early May as well. So it's not a complete science, this gap theory, but start by being aware of the gaps on your charts. I think that's good analysis to start with. So next chart is soybean here, also beaten down on soybean. And you know, the uncertainty of soybean and corn acres here is going to continue into the rest of the summer, into the August crop report. I think the lower yields, the lower acres, and Chinese demand of U.S. soybean can make these soybean markets. You know, we've got 1 billion bushel carry out in soybean. You could cut that in half this year. So that type of analysis is very bullish here. So I would look for November soybeans to trade to 950, 960, 970 in the weeks ahead, and certainly that $10 mark. You know, last Friday I didn't mention anything about the G20 meeting, but I will this morning, and certainly China needs USA and USA needs China, the two biggest economies in the world today. That's simple. One note that I noted from the G20 was the Brazilian President Bolsonaro waited 30 minutes for his meeting with the Chinese leader and then got up and walked away in anguish. So, you know, this is not good for Brazil and China relationships and very good for USA and China. So I think that's significant. And the wheat market here, lastly, no gaps on the wheat chart. Wheat is down because the row crops are down. There's extreme heat in Europe here. So Matif, the French milling wheat, when wheat does rally, Matif leads the charge. So if it stays real arid and real hot here in the weeks ahead, watch the wheat market rally back. Okay, we're closed tomorrow for the 4th of July. We got an early close today, and then we'll reopen Friday morning, 8:30 Central Standard Time. Thank you.